Hamza Ali Abbasi and Naimal Khawar have left the Pakistani drama and film industry after getting married. And they both said goodbye to the showbiz industry because they wanted to spend the rest of their lives following the principles of Islam. And they haven't really appeared in a new drama or movie since they got married. Hamza Ali Abbasi started his married life at the age of 35 by marrying Naimal Khawar. And they got married with great simplicity and low cost. They got married and gave a good message to the people. Only walima and barat ceremonies were held in which very special and close relatives were invited. Surely our religion Islam also teaches us to marry with simplicity. After marrying Hamza Ali Abbasi and Naimal Khawar, they have now become the parents of a son. And his son's name is Muhammad Mustafa Abbasi. Here we tell you that Hamza Ali Abbasi's sister is Dr. Fazila Abbasi, who is also an actress. And her face is very similar to that of Indian actress Katrina Kaif. And 2 months ago, her pictures on social media remained the center of attention. But in today's article, we will see some new pictures of Hamza Ali Abbasi with his wife Naimal Khawar and son, in which it can be seen that his son has now grown up. So let's see. Do you also want to see Hamza Ali Abbasi in the drama and film industry again? If so, please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks.